If you're thinking about buying the viral electric spray air cushion massage comb, check the reviews before you buy it. The biggest red flag is customer feedback. One Amazon listing for this product is sitting at just 1.8 stars out of 5 for 56 global reviews and 144 total reviews, with buyers complaining about the cheap construction, damaged bristles, poor performance, and the device not working as advertised. And the complaints aren't isolated. Similar listings on Walmart are also receiving very low ratings, with customers saying the comb basically produces cold mist instead of the dramatic results shown in advertisements. So here you can see the products related to the item listed above just have 2 stars. These are three 5 stars, but I think these are fake. This has 34 1.5 stars and so on. So generally, personally, I would skip it. The low ratings, repeated complaints, and generic product red flags make this one difficult to recommend. So basically, that's it.